Oh, queen c7, I don't know that. Can I take e4? Anyway. What is this again? He's stupid or something? He cannot play knight bishop d6 now. Okay, completely idiot things. How can I win here? What am I threatening? Maybe there. Or maybe bishop. Okay, I like this. Killing position for me, right? I need to continue. Knight here. Yeah, why not? Okay, let's go back. You don't know what to do, huh? c5, I think it's very nice. c5. No, if you just take, I'm going to take. He cannot take, I'm threatening the queen. Maybe. To go on d6. Yeah, now you will be passive forever. Let's go here. I can take that. Or can I attack? Take or not to take? Go here. Maybe h4. Yeah, h4. Yeah, he don't care actually. Ah, you're threatening this. And if I go back, I'm going back, I'm threatening this, and I can go again. Or I can go there. Queen c2. Yeah, let's play. Ah, here I'm going to lose this. Maybe. Overprotection. By yourself, huh? You don't care. Yeah, let's go here. Only 1 minute. Okay, go to the hell with this stupid move. Yeah, to play the bishop there. Okay, help me here. I'm not threatening, but okay, bishop d6, knight d6 could come. Maybe bishop back and sacrifice. Oh, I blundered the knight. No, he don't go there. Come on. Okay. Why he didn't capture the pawn? Whoa. Because the rook is hanging. Whoa. Okay, now he can take the pawn. Alright. With the queen, obviously. Okay, lose your bloody queen. And now we can play. Come on. This is a check. This is a mate. Yes! Yeah! Take this, take this.